Hello traders. In today's video, we are looking at the MTF Pivot Indicator available for both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This tool displays pivot points for multiple time frames on a single chart. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. I'm about to allow the LL imports, and there we have it. On the chart, the indicator draws horizontal lines representing pivot levels including the central pivots, support levels, and resistance levels for multiple time frames simultaneously. When pivot levels from different time frames cluster near the same price area, it may suggest a stronger area of interest. Each time frame's pivots are typically color-coded for easy identification. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. Alright, the settings allow you to select which time frames to include. Choose the pivot calculation methods such as standard, Fibonacci, or Camarilla, and customize the line colors, styles, and labels for each time frame. You can also toggle specific support and resistance levels on or off. Who's this indicator for? This indicator is suited for traders who use pivot point analysis and want to compare levels across multiple time frames. It is a visual and analytical tool only and does not execute trades. Pivot points are mathematically derived reference levels and are not guaranteed to act as support or resistance. Always use additional analysis and confirmation. If you'd like to download this tool or learn more, I've included the link in the description below. This has been another video from the Forex Geek. If you found it useful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.